Alright, hi, this is Dylan again. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is a Thursday, 13th of November. So we're going to start off with the four major currency pairs that we always go through, starting off with the euro against the US dollar. So over here we are seeing the four-hourly chart. As you can see that there is a falling major trend, falling trend channel, and price touches the bottom. Right now it begins to rebound and price is consolidating, and we are still expecting price to retrace further to a level that is, the first level we are going to look at is probably at the 38.2% retracement level, and or probably a little bit higher till it touches this falling trend channel within the falling trend line within this major falling trend channel itself. So we are not going to do anything till it retraces further. Alright, so that's for the euro against the US dollar. Next we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Price has a retrace further as it gains and touches the retracement level of 61.8%. got resisted over here, attempted to fall, but it seems that the strength is of the bear is not that strong. And also take note that price did close above the 200 moving averages, so in this case price might want to gain a little bit further again and retest the 61.8% level. And if at that point of time it got resisted again and there is a setup for it, then that may be a shorting opportunity. Alright, next we have the pound against the US dollar. Alright, four-hourly chart here. Well, price basically slumped because the Bank of England has cut its growth forecast as inflation slows, and therefore it has touched the final exhaustion level of 161.8% at the price of 1.5766, but immediately it got supported, and therefore we can expect some retracement from here. And first level we are going to take a look at is the retracement level of 38.2%, price of 1.5919, and if not, we do hope that it can retrace further and touches the top of this major falling trend channel. Alright, but that might not happen as well because we do note that price has already touched the top of the trend channel and has yet to touch a bottom, which is still pretty far away. Alright, so probably the key level here we'll be looking at is the retracement level of 30.2% here. Alright, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. And finally we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. We can see the price is not really moving that much. It's still consolidating. Yeah, so basically we just want to wait for retracement over here. Hopefully that after the consolidation it came down a little bit further and touches probably the support level of 114.17, and maybe we can also plot a Fibonacci retracement over here. The first level is at the 23.6% of retracement level at price of 113.12. Alright, so that's pretty much for the dollar against the yen. Next, I would just like to touch on a few other currency pairs, starting off with the Australia against the US dollar. So what we are seeing here is the price has gained further as well, touches the top of a probable rising trend channel. As you can see over here, this is a new channel that's been spotted. It got resisted at one of the exhaustion level of 141.4%, price of 0.8739, and we do see that it got resisted, but then again, as you can see, the bear strength is not that strong, and the fact is that it has yet to touch this retracement level of 61.8%, and where the 200 moving averages coincides with. So price might still retrace a little further if it does not fall anytime soon. Alright, if we take a look at the 1 hourly chart, we do see that there is already a reversal, reversal candle with confirmation when it touches the top of this probable rising trend channel, and therefore we should rightfully expect price to fall. Alright, right now we are seeing that the candle is beginning to form another reversal. Well, so this could be a short opportunity. Alright, if you were to short this pair, right now it's a good price, and probably set your stop loss above the 61 retracement level of 61.8% in case it retraces further back to that level and you do not want your stop loss to be triggered right at least or rather slightly below this level. So it is preferred that you set a stop loss above 61.8% if you were to go for a short for this currency pair. Alright, so next I want to touch on the pound against Australian dollar. Well, we can see that price has slumped a lot. First is that the Aussie has been gaining a little bit further, and of course Bank of England, they cut their growth forecast and therefore price slumped. But right now it has touches a bottom of a rising trend channel over here. This is something that's quite not to the scale, but then yeah, and this is also a retracement level of 38.2%. But right now what we're seeing is that price is attempting to break below this channel itself. But there is still a possibility that price might retrace back, forms a reversal candle. Maybe we can take a look at the 4 hourly chart. Alright, so if price is able to form a reversal with confirmation, this might be the chance to go for a long for the pound against Australian dollar. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much for the pound against Australian dollar. And next we shall take a look at the Australian dollar against the New Zealand dollar. As we can see, there is an ascending triangle, and price has begun to fall even further, almost about another 50 to 60 pips away from touching the bottom of the ascending triangle. So if it touches, then that is a opportunity to go for a long trade. Right, so that is pretty much about this currency pair. And finally, just want to touch on the euro against the Swiss franc. What we are seeing here right now is the price has went lowest to 1.2016. Alright, that is just 16 pips away from 1.2 flat. And as we know, that the Swiss National Bank will do all it takes to cap its currency at 1.2. Alright, so yeah, and price is going to reach that level very soon. So we will just keep a watch out for this pair for this or the next couple of weeks. Alright, so that is all for today, and thank you for watching. I will see you again.